This is a quick tutorial on how a client can obtain an IP address through DHCP by using the interface command IP address DHCP. A DHCP client is defined as an internet host using DHCP to obtain configuration parameters such as an IP address. The present network consists of this: 2 routers, 2 switches, 6 workstations. If we verify the router as a DHCP client by running the command show DHCP lease, we can see that it is blank, meaning it has not received an IP address from a DHCP server. If we verify the interface's IP-related characteristics by running the command show IP interface brief, we can establish that both the layer 1 via the status column and the layer 2 via the protocol column status is up. Whilst we are on the router, if we maneuver to interface E0/0/0 interface, we will type conft short for configure terminal interface E0/0/0 and type the following command IP address DHCP. And no shoe. Note the system message. Then exit. If you type in do ship int br, we can confirm that the interface has an IP address via DHCP. We want to save the configuration. We type end. Then we type copy or you hit the tab key to auto complete the command. Then type st, and again we type the tab key.